Hello, my fellow YouTube warriors. Today, we are diving deep into the mysterious and manipulative world of covert narcissists. Have you ever felt like someone you know and trust has slowly been changing your thoughts and beliefs, but you can't quite put your finger on how or why? Here we come across the covert narcissist. You may have heard about them, read about them, or even encountered them in your own life. But do you know how these sneaky individuals brainwash their victims? They may not be as loud or attention-seeking as overt narcissists, but they are just as dangerous. Buckle up as we uncover all their dirty little secrets. First things first, let's define what a covert narcissist actually is. Unlike the grandiose and overt narcissists who flaunt their egos for all to see, covert narcissists are masters of disguise. They are like chameleons, blending seamlessly into their surroundings while quietly manipulating and controlling those around them. These covert manipulators have a knack for appearing charming and charismatic on the surface, but underneath that facade lies a cold and calculating manipulator. Let's talk about how covert narcissists brainwash their victims. Covert narcissists use a variety of tactics to brainwash their victims, including gaslighting, love bombing, and isolation. One of their favorite tactics is gaslighting. Gaslighting is a form of psychological manipulation where the narcissist makes their victim doubt their own thoughts, feelings, perceptions, and twist the truth. A narcissist constantly denies or distorts reality, causing the victim to question their own sanity. It's a mind game that leaves you feeling confused, isolated, and powerless. Another common tactic used by covert narcissists is love bombing. Love bombing is when the narcissist showers the victim with excessive affection and attention. But this is all part of their plan to reel you in and make you dependent on them. Once they have you hooked, the love bombing stops and the manipulation begins. At the beginning of a relationship, they will shower you with affection, attention, gifts, and make you feel like you are their whole world, their everything, only to later withdraw it as a form of punishment. Covert narcissists are experts at isolating their victims from friends, family, and support systems. Isolation is when the narcissist cuts the victim off from friends and family, making them dependent on the narcissist for emotional support. They will subtly plant seeds of doubt and discord in your relationships, making you question the intentions of those closest to you. They thrive on making you dependent on them for validation, approval, and love. This isolation makes it easier for them to control you and keep you under their thumb. Emotional manipulation is another key tool in the covert narcissist's arsenal. They are skilled at playing the victim, making you feel responsible for their problems and emotions. They will use guilt, fear, shame, twist your words, gaslight you, and use emotional blackmail to keep you in a perpetual state of confusion or in line and under control. Covert narcissists feed off what is known as narcissistic supply. This supply can come in many forms, such as attention, admiration, validation, and control. They crave these things like a drug and will do whatever it takes to get their fix. They will manipulate, lie, cheat, and deceive to ensure that their needs are met at the expense of others. If you have fallen victim to a covert narcissist, remember that recovery and healing are possible, but it requires time, self-reflection, setting boundaries, practicing self-care, and most importantly, surrounding yourself with positive influences. If you suspect you are being brainwashed by a covert narcissist, seeking support from a mental health professionals, therapists, counselors, or support groups can be of help when navigating the aftermath of a toxic relationship effectively. Remember, you deserve to be treated with respect, love, and kindness. In conclusion, covert narcissists are insidious manipulators who prey on the vulnerabilities of others. They use tactics like gaslighting, love bombing, isolation, and emotional manipulation to brainwash their victims and keep them under their control. But awareness is key to breaking free from their toxic grasp. Educate yourself, seek support, and remember that you are worthy of love, respect, and happiness. Stay strong, and never let a covert narcissist dull your shine. You are worth more than the narcissist's manipulation and control. Take back your power and reclaim your life. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay vigilant and stay strong.